What's up, guys? Today's video is on the best oil additives to stop engine knocking on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Lucas Oil 10130 Pure Synthetic Oil Stabilizer. Lucas Oil 10130 Pure Synthetic Oil Stabilizer delivers dependable lubrication support for modern vehicles using lighter engine fluids. This advanced formula is designed for engines that require Society of Automotive Engineers J300 viscosity grade 10W30 protection. The product works well with both imported and domestic automobiles, helping maintain smoother operation during daily driving and demanding road conditions. This synthetic blend offers strong film durability that helps reduce friction between moving parts. The lightweight texture allows quick circulation through internal components while supporting consistent oil pressure in electronically controlled engines. Drivers looking for better engine response may appreciate the stable performance provided during long trips, high temperatures, and heavy workloads. Lucas Oil developed this stabilizer for use in high-performance systems, including transmissions, gearboxes, and heavy-duty engines. The formula supports quieter operation by lowering vibration and reducing unwanted mechanical noise. Heat control is another important advantage because excessive temperature can affect engine reliability over time. The stabilizer helps limit wear on important internal parts while supporting cleaner and smoother movement. The product is suitable for newer equipment that requires synthetic lubrication or additional protection under pressure. Its long-lasting composition performs effectively during extreme operating environments where engines face constant stress. Vehicles used for towing, commercial transport, or performance driving may benefit from the added stability offered by this synthetic solution. Each bottle contains 0.95 quarts of liquid and comes in secure packaging for convenient handling and storage. Buyers can also choose larger gallon options depending on maintenance needs or workshop use. The stabilizer is created to support reliable performance without making the engine feel heavy or sluggish during operation. Lucas Oil is recognized for producing automotive lubrication products designed for durability and consistent results. This synthetic oil stabilizer helps maintain smoother transmission response, improved gear protection, and dependable engine support. Drivers seeking added lubrication strength for modern engines may consider this formula as a practical option for maintaining performance in different driving environments and weather conditions. Number 4. Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment. Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment is designed to support cleaner engine operation for gasoline and diesel vehicles. This advanced formula helps improve fuel quality while assisting engines in maintaining smoother performance during everyday driving. The treatment works with many types of fuel systems and can be used in older as well as modern automobiles. The liquid solution helps remove harmful buildup from injectors, carburetors, and combustion chambers. Cleaner internal components may support improved fuel delivery and better engine response. Drivers searching for reliable engine care products often choose fuel additives that assist with reducing unwanted deposits while helping vehicles operate more efficiently. This treatment also supports lubrication inside the fuel system, helping pumps and injectors continue working under demanding conditions. Proper lubrication may help reduce wear over time and maintain steady operation during long-distance travel or frequent use. The formula is suitable for vehicles used on highways, urban roads, commercial routes, and marine environments. Lucas Oil created this product to help improve fuel economy by supporting more complete fuel burning. Reduced exhaust contamination may assist engines in running cleaner while helping lower unnecessary waste. Better fuel flow can also contribute to smoother acceleration and more dependable engine power during driving. The treatment works to neutralize sulfur and other damaging contaminants that may affect engine performance. Rust and corrosion protection are included to help preserve important fuel system parts. Older engines that previously required lead-based support can safely use this formula without causing harmful effects to internal components. Each bottle contains 1 quart of fuel treatment stored in durable plastic packaging for convenient use and storage. The product weighs 898 grams and is easy to handle during regular vehicle maintenance. Drivers maintaining diesel motor vehicles, locomotives, marine equipment, or non-road machinery may appreciate the flexible compatibility offered by this formula. Lucas Oil fuel treatment is widely recognized by automotive enthusiasts looking for dependable fuel system care. The formula helps support cleaner operation, smoother fuel circulation, and improved driving performance under different road and weather conditions. Vehicle owners wanting additional engine support may consider this treatment as part of regular maintenance for long-lasting reliability and consistent fuel system protection. Number 3. Lucas Oil 10009 Transmission Fix 24-ounce. Lucas Oil 10009 Transmission Fix is designed to support smoother transmission operation in different driving conditions. This automotive fluid treatment helps maintain steady performance while supporting the protection of important internal transmission components. Vehicle owners searching for dependable transmission care products often look for solutions that help reduce stress inside automatic systems during daily travel and heavy road use. The formula contains no solvents, making it suitable for drivers wanting a balanced fluid treatment for long-term transmission support. Many transmission systems experience heat buildup during operation, especially during towing, stop-and-go traffic, or long highway driving. This treatment helps lower operating temperatures, which may assist with maintaining stable performance and smoother gear shifting. Foaming inside transmission fluid can affect overall operation and reduce lubrication quality. Lucas Oil Transmission Fix works to stop foaming while supporting better fluid consistency during continuous use. Proper fluid stability may help transmission systems operate with less strain while helping moving parts remain protected under pressure. Drivers maintaining older vehicles or high-mileage automobiles may appreciate the additional support this treatment provides. Smooth circulation inside the transmission system can help reduce wear while supporting more dependable response during acceleration and gear changes. The liquid formula blends with existing transmission fluid without requiring complete draining before application, making routine maintenance more convenient for many vehicle owners. Each bottle comes in durable plastic packaging designed for secure storage and handling. The container holds 720 milliliters of fluid and has a total weight of 0.72 kilograms. The compact bottle size allows easier storage inside garages, workshops, or vehicle maintenance areas without taking up unnecessary space. Lucas Oil is recognized in the automotive industry for producing lubrication and performance support products for many vehicle types. This transmission treatment is suitable for drivers looking for improved fluid stability and smoother transmission behavior during regular driving conditions. Heat reduction support may also help protect important internal parts from excessive stress during demanding use. Vehicle owners using automatic transmission systems often search for maintenance products that assist with long-lasting durability and reliable operation. Lucas Oil Transmission Fix supports fluid performance while helping maintain smoother driving response in different temperatures and road environments. Drivers wanting added transmission care may consider this treatment for regular automotive maintenance and protection. Number 2. Lucas Oil 10279 Engine Oil Stop Leak. Lucas Oil 10279 Engine Oil Stop Leak is created for vehicle owners looking for dependable engine maintenance support. This automotive treatment is suitable for cars, trucks, and motorcycles that require additional oil system protection during regular operation. The formula is designed to work with petroleum, semi-synthetic, and full synthetic motor oils, making it compatible with many modern and older engine types. Engines with worn seals or aging internal components may experience oil leakage and increased oil consumption over time. This treatment helps renew worn seals while supporting smoother engine operation without causing damage or corrosion. Proper seal conditioning may assist with reducing unwanted leaks and maintaining better lubrication inside the engine system. The formula contains no harmful solvents, allowing it to blend safely with existing motor oil. Drivers often look for engine treatments that support long-lasting durability while helping maintain cleaner and quieter engine behavior. Lucas Oil Engine Oil Stop Leak works to reduce engine noise by supporting smoother movement between important internal parts during operation. Oil pressure plays an important role in overall engine reliability. Low pressure can place additional stress on moving components, especially during high-temperature driving or heavy workloads. This treatment helps raise oil pressure while supporting balanced lubrication circulation throughout the engine system. Better oil stability may help engines operate more smoothly during long-distance driving, towing, or stop-and-go traffic conditions. The product comes in a secure bottle containing 1 gallon of liquid treatment for convenient handling and storage. The larger container size may be useful for workshops, fleet maintenance, or vehicle owners performing regular automotive servicing. Drivers maintaining several automobiles may appreciate the practical volume offered for repeated use. Lucas Oil is recognized for producing automotive lubrication products designed to support engine protection and dependable performance. This engine oil treatment may help reduce oil loss while supporting quieter operation and smoother driving response. Vehicle owners concerned about aging seals or excessive oil use often search for maintenance products that help improve long-term engine condition. The treatment is suitable for different weather environments and operating conditions where engines face constant heat and pressure. Drivers wanting additional support for engine maintenance may consider Lucas Oil Engine Oil Stop Leak as part of regular vehicle care for improved lubrication stability and dependable performance over time. Number 1. Lucas Oil 10026 Octane Booster. Lucas Oil 10026 Octane Booster is developed for drivers looking to support stronger engine performance and smoother fuel combustion. This fuel treatment is suitable for automobiles using fuel-injected or carbureted engines, making it useful for different vehicle types and driving conditions. The advanced blend is designed to assist engines that require improved fuel quality during regular road use or demanding performance situations. Clean fuel combustion plays an important role in maintaining efficient engine operation. This octane booster helps promote cleaner fuel burning, which may assist with reducing unnecessary exhaust emissions during driving. Better combustion support can also help engines operate more smoothly while maintaining stable power delivery on highways, city roads, and long-distance trips. Vehicle owners searching for dependable fuel additives often choose products that support stronger engine response and improved acceleration. Lucas Oil Octane Booster is formulated to provide more boost compared to many standard fuel treatment products. Improved fuel quality may help support quicker throttle response and smoother engine behavior during different driving environments. The formula is designed for vehicles and engines not equipped with emissions after-treatment systems. Drivers maintaining older automobiles or performance-focused engines may appreciate the compatibility offered by this fuel treatment. Proper octane support can help engines maintain balanced combustion under higher temperatures and demanding workloads. Each bottle contains 15 fluid ounces of liquid treatment stored in durable packaging for easy handling and storage. The product has a total weight of 431 grams, making it convenient to carry inside a vehicle or garage maintenance area. Motorcycle users can also find a smaller 2-ounce bottle option designed specifically for compact engine applications. Lucas Oil is recognized for producing automotive maintenance products created to support reliable engine operation and long-lasting performance. This octane booster may assist with smoother fuel circulation while supporting better combustion efficiency during regular vehicle use. Drivers looking for additional engine support often search for fuel additives that help maintain cleaner operation and steady performance over time. The treatment works well in different weather conditions and road environments where engines may experience continuous pressure and heat. Vehicle owners wanting dependable fuel system support may consider Lucas Oil Octane Booster as part of regular maintenance for cleaner combustion, improved driving response, and more consistent engine performance during everyday travel or performance driving situations.